Hello, this is your background information for a month of phases.
Make sure you pay attention because it's really easy to mess this lab up and you guys shouldn't mess it up.
Just let you know, this is not a lab that has a lab quiz at the end, but it just needed clarification. So that's why we made a video. So your materials, you'll need a lamp, like a just normal desk lamp, we call it floor lamp here, a pencil, a color pencil that is yellow, a foam ball,
Voila.
and your science notebook. Okay, before you read the procedures, make sure your notebook is dated at the top and it has a Moonth of Phases written as a title. So for your procedure, it's pretty simple. You're going to place a lamp in the center of a lab table, and then you darken the room the best of your ability. So close the blinds, shut the door, and whatnot. Then, we already have most foam balls with a straw instead of a pencil because kids like to steal pencils. Put the straw in there, and then done.
4 is the big one. You need to go ahead and set this up, and there's not going to be a whole lot more that you're doing on this page, so you can draw this to take up the majority of the page there. So if you want to use something to trace circles, that's fine. But basically, you need to make sure that you have circle number 3 and 7 across from each other.
Ding, ding.
And circle number 1 and 5 across from each other. So if you do those 4 circles first and then insert the rest, that might be the easiest way to draw it.
The way I do it is I do 3 and 5 first, and then I do the cross 5, or 3 and 7 first, and then 5 and 1. And then the 4 diagonals are easy to fill in. Yeah, and pay attention, draw this line, so go to the middle and then draw just a right angle and then one at the orange line at the 45 degree. So essentially you're going to be set up like this. The light is going to be here, and this is position 1, and then you're going to go counterclockwise, opposite of the clock, to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's read the rest of the procedures. So I'm assuming you're working with a partner. They're going to hold the foam ball at arm's length. It doesn't matter if you extend your arm. So it's slightly above your head. Then the ball should be about 1 to 1.5 meters away from the lamp. That's about 1 meter stick to 1.5 meter sticks away. And if you are a partner, if you do have a partner, you need to stand directly behind your partner because this represents the moon. Your head represents the earth. So if you're way over here on the side of your partner, then you're not seeing what Earth sees. You're seeing what some spaceship is floating above Earth. So that's Earth. I need to be right behind her.
You're going to like each other.
Yay. Okay, so then you're going to if the light is visible on the ball, draw that shape of the lighted part and color it in yellow. So this ball here, if this is what I saw, I would color the whole ball yellow because yellow means light. Now here, I would draw a line, and color the big part yellow, and I might use my pencil to do that black part, and so on. Yellow is light. So in each position, you're going to color what you see, and then it tells you you're going to turn 45 degrees.
So you're not going to spin the ball or anything like that.
Nope.
You're physically going to move 45 degrees, your arm is, and you're going to continue to be looking at the styrofoam ball. So the lamp never moves. You are simply turning yourself that amount.
And here is a way. Oh, got an idea. I got this big pretty box here. Pretend this is a tile on the floor. If this is position 1, 45 degrees is the angle, the diagonal. And then this would be 90 degrees. And every diagonal is 45 degrees. So I look at the tiles when I do this with the regular students and tell them to go to the diagonal now, and then go to the side, then the other diagonal.
Yep.
So you're going to do this all the way from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, all the way back to position 8, which is almost back to 1. There is analyze and conclude questions on your sheet. You need to answer the first 5 questions. I think there's only 5. And you're going to write incomplete sentences. And we need to work with our sentences. Don't start a sentence with the word because unless you have that independent clause to go with it. So make sure you're writing complete sentences that really communicate what's going on.
Yep. And 11 just means if you want to change places with your partner, so you're now holding the moon
That's right.
instead of your partner. You guys are welcome to do that. We encourage it because then you can actually see it from Earth's perspective instead of standing behind your partner.
Amen. Okay, chicas, I think that's it. Let's see. Yep. Oops. That's it. If you have any questions, come see us on the net.
Hasta la vista.
See ya.
Baby.